Hello to all you Supermax customers! While you are in the store today, don't forget to visit the frozen department. A special offer on frozen chicken. That will be 153 euros and 35 cents. Are you paying cash or card? Thanks for coming at Supermax. Looking forward to see you again. Bye. I'm sorry, it's closed.
Oh, well, I've unloaded all my shopping now, and I have been standing in this queue for ages.
I'm sorry.
Well, no, I'm sorry. I mean, what do you expect me to do? Just collect up all my shopping and go to another queue? I mean, actually, do you know what? I'm not even going to go to a different till. No, you won't see me shopping in this supermarket again. Actually, I've had enough. I'm going to just walk out of here. It's been quite a stressful day, quite frankly. And the customer service here is absolutely appalling. Oh, hello, James.
Jessica, I can't believe it. Look at you.
Yeah, look at you. What are you doing here? How are you?
Good. And you?
Yes, I'm good. But wait, what's the story? Why are you working in a Supermax?
Well, I'm not working. I'm the boss.
Oh, you're the boss.
Yeah. Shh. You know, like those undercover boss programs. Personally, examining the organization, operation, and like.
Oh, I see. So you're sort of spying on the workers.
Well, sort of. Stop talking about me. Oh. Let's talk about you. What up to you? Where have you been? It's been 10 years.
12? Well, just over 11 and a half, actually.
12 years. Wow. How time flies. I heard you moved abroad.
Yeah.
Are you back or just visiting?
Well, no, I'm not back yet. I'm wondering, maybe I might move back one day.
Where was it? Berlin? No, Barcelona.
Yeah, Barcelona. Yes, that's right.
12 years. Teaching was you?
No, I was teaching mainly, but I also did a little bit of acting.
Acting? Oh, yes, I remember. You love acting. Oh, I'm glad.
Yes, I was actually in an advert, James.
In an advert? On TV?
On Spanish TV.
An advert on Spanish TV? I bet you're famous over there, then.
Well, no. It was actually just for bread.
Bread?
Yeah. They do like their bread over there, don't they?
Yeah. Don't we all? We sell a lot of bread here.
Yeah.
But you look just the same. You haven't changed a little bit.
Well, thank you, James. That's very, very kind.
I can't believe it. Jessica Harris.
Look, actually, I probably should. Look, James. Actually, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry that I didn't reply to your emails. You know, I needed a fresh start, and it was all a bit confusing between us because we did get together rather last minute, didn't we? And we'd always see each other at a distance from afar for ages. And then my leaving party came around and actually happened. And I didn't mean to. No, anyway, it doesn't matter. Come on, tell me, how did you end up bossing it in Supermax?
Long story. Do you want to...
James, no. I really don't think that's a good idea.
Are you with anyone? No, sorry, it's not one of my business.
No,
sorry.
No, don't worry. No, I am married. Yeah. And you?
Divorce. No children. It was a long time ago. Didn't last. But she married again, and no problem. She just wasn't the right one. You know when you know.
Yeah. Well, so they say.
Hello to all you Supermax customers! While you are in the store, visit the frozen department! This is a sale on frozen pizza! Well, it's lovely to see you again.
Yes, you too, James. You too. Oh, what about my shopping?
Oh, yes. You're shopping, of course.
Why
what an idiot. I will run through the field. Cake ingredients? Birthday?
Ah, yes, my daughter.
Doctor?
Yes. Sorry, I forgot to say I have a daughter and a son.
That's wonderful. They must speak Spanish.
Yes, they do. Yeah, and Catalan.
Catalan?
Yeah, of course. Barcelona is in Catalonia. You have your own language.
Of course.
Actually, I didn't see any candles on your shelves.
Oh, I got them on the till. What number do you want? How old is the birthday girl?
Well, no, actually, I don't actually need numbers. I just want individual candles. That'll do just fine.
Haven't got any of them, just numbers. How old is she?
Well, she's 11.
Hello to all Supermax customers. We're out of time. The store is closing in 5 minutes. Please go to the tills.